Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss the term Anacoluthon in language. Introduction. Anacoluthon, derived from the Greek word meaning lacking sequence, is a rhetorical device in which a sentence begins in one way but abruptly shifts in direction, ending in another. This sudden change in structure creates a break in the expected grammatical flow, often leading to a sense of surprise or disjointedness. While this might initially seem like a mistake or a flaw in writing, Anacoluthon is a deliberate stylistic choice used by writers and speakers to achieve various effects. Purpose and effects of Anacoluthon. The primary purpose of Anacoluthon is to reflect the natural, often chaotic flow of thoughts, emotions or speech. In everyday conversation, people frequently begin a sentence with a particular idea in mind, but as they speak, they might get distracted or change their mind, leading to an abrupt shift in what they are saying. Anacoluthon captures this spontaneity and the unpredictability of human thought. For example, in the sentence, "You know what but let's forget it." The speaker starts to say something but then decides to abandon the thought, creating a sense of immediacy and realism. Anacoluthon in literature. In literature, Anacoluthon is often used to convey a character's state of mind, particularly when they are confused, agitated, or experiencing intense emotions. The break in sentence structure can reflect the character's inner turmoil or hesitation. It can also be used to mimic the patterns of real speech, making dialogue feel more authentic and dynamic. Writers like James Joyce and Virginia Woolf, known for their stream of consciousness style, frequently employ Anacoluthon to mirror the fluid and often disjointed nature of thought. Examples of Anacoluthon. One famous example of Anacoluthon comes from William Shakespeare's King Lear. "I will have such revenges on you both, that all the world shall. I will do such things. What they are, yet I know not." In this passage, Lear's speech breaks off as he grapples with his overwhelming anger and confusion, illustrating his descent into madness. Another example can be found in Charles Dickens's David Copperfield. If Mr. Micawber's creditors will not give him time, they must take the consequences. But I am convinced, to every good man, the consciousness of having discharged his duty will be satisfaction enough. Here, the shift in the sentence reflects the speaker's divided thoughts, moving from a consideration of consequences to a moral assertion. Conclusion. Anacoluthon is a powerful literary device that disrupts the flow of a sentence to capture the fragmented and often non-linear nature of human thought and speech. By incorporating this technique, writers can create a sense of realism, convey complex emotions, and engage readers in the unpredictable journey of a character's mind. Far from being a mere grammatical error, Anacoluthon is a deliberate and effective tool that adds depth and authenticity to both written and spoken language. So this was the discussion on the term Anacoluthon. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.